Hey guys, welcome back to Drew's house. Now I'm just going to give you a quick update. Those of you that watched the video I did about the XL 1200 watt plunge saw kit, this one's for you. This is the real reason that I bought this kit. I'm using it for it right now. I put a 150mm, the wrong size, but it's the closest I could get. 150mm diamond tip blade in there, cutting through the screed in my floors. I just want to do a quick video for you just to show you how it works. It's working pretty well, quite happy with it. In fact, very happy with it. It's doing the job really nicely. It doesn't follow a perfect line, but that's probably because the rail I'm using is only 700mm long, so I could have done with a longer one really to get some nice long stretched out straight lines with the 700mm. I just decided that at least I could just use it, and if it's only 700mm, if it dies, if I wreck it, not the end of the world. So here we go. I'm just gonna do a cut. It's gonna be super noisy. I'll turn the volume down for that. Just want to show you how well it cuts and how quickly it cuts. I'll do it in real time so you can see it. Let's get it going. So like I said guys, this is the only reason I bought this saw, was to cut these channels out. Now that's the channel finished, got plywood on top, there's pipes running under there, it's just basically a central heated duct. So, super happy with the saw, did a brilliant job, completely recommend it. Hope you liked the video, see you next time. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.